So the semi-final of the 60-kilogram Greco-Roman, Gьянендер versus Шаршенбеков for a place at Tokyo 2020. Certainly, Шаршенбеков, two-time Asian Championship silver medalist as well, losing the 2020 final to Kenichiro Fumita of Japan. And 4 years as senior himself, managing to medal, but at the 2019 Asian Championships, a bronze alongside already qualified Fumita. Certainly it's a strong group at 60 kilograms, although no return for Ismael Borrero of Cuba, as he pushed up to 67 kilograms. An early opportunity for Szarszembekov down in the parterre, a point for an activity against the Indian. And now looking to stick to the mat as best he can. Szarszembekov just trying to unpick the lock. He's got Gьянендер up on his waist, and the slam brings a huge reward. That's certainly a way to make an impression. Start of our first semi-final at 60 kilograms at Greco-Roman. 2019 under-23 Asian champion with a 4-point throw to lead by 5. Kyrgyzstan in a strong position early doors. Szarszembekov would certainly be favourite to take the spot, but any qualification is for the nation, not the athlete. 30 seconds remaining of the first 3-minute round of 2. Gьянендер certainly knows he's got a lot to do in the second round if he's to salvage this semi-final, try and earn India a spot at 60 kilograms. Quick look over from Szarszembekov to see the clock running down. Just happy to touch out the final seconds. As the Kyrgyzstani in a fine position, the 5-point lead. Well, he beat 2018 world champion Stepan Maryanyan of Russia at the Belgrade 2020 World Cup. Certainly showing his flair for the spectacular. 2-4 down before finally landing a gut wrench for a 4-4 win by criteria, which was Kyrgyzstan's first gold at the World Cup in December 2020, replacing the World Championships after they, due to the COVID pandemic, were not unable to be held. Szarszembekov in a strong position, but still time for Gьянендер to fight back. Fought through Indian trials to find his spot in the national squad at 60 kilograms. Are his Tokyo dreams going to be dashed? Commanding looking 6-point lead, but it can be wiped out quickly. Sharanshenbekov looking to protect and counter his Indian opponent. Huge prospect for Sharanshenbekov, already just 21 years of age. World silver medalist 3 years ago in Budapest. Gьянендер giving up, but he's just being driven around by Sharanshenbekov. Manages to avoid being ejected. Well, the parterre almost inevitable, and against Sharanshenbekov. So this, a big moment, no wonder. Hands on the heads, just trying to get the oxygen in. Huge moment for Team India. 5 points down. Parterre, the best opportunity afforded so far to Gьянендер. Just cut to his Kyrgyzstani opponent. As Gьянендер just makes clear he wants Sharanshenbekov down on the ground. Very rare to see a wrestler choose to go down to the deck. Only those fully confident in their defensive abilities. Sharanshenbekov so quick from the contact to get moving. Just wriggling away from the grasp. Gьянендер does well to keep the opportunity alive, but he's going to have to make something happen, and he's run out of time. Has he run out of hope? Superb defense from Sharanshenbekov. Could be a real danger to the 60-kilogram field if he can convert this semi-final into an Olympic ticket. Gьянендер is going to have to produce something spectacular. He's now only got 30 seconds in which to do it. Sharanshenbekov, classy performer, looks to be ready to celebrate our first qualification for the Olympics. As the clock kicks down on Gьянендер, it's Sharanshenbekov who celebrates earning a Greco-Roman 60-kilogram spot at the Olympics. He'll be back later tonight to compete in the final, but the hard work's been done. Sharanshenbekov 6-1 over Gьянендер of India.
Kızıl trikoda, Kansu